speed 1834.
1834?
Where's this crash at?
It's around milepost 50 on Sunset, next to, I think, just east of Cell Road.
Copy, I'll be around from milepost 47.
Copy, sir. Head-on crash. One of the vehicles off the road. Units go on code 3. This crash, be aware, there was hail on the roadway. They're very slick. 5393.
5393, I just crashed out. Where are you? Highway 47, just south of Crates Road. I'm okay. Okay. I'll divert to that. You guys go to the other one.
Shall I send medical just because?
5109, can you make it, or sorry, 5309, can you make a different call for the deputy crash and attach me to it?
Yes, sir, I'm making it now. I'm going to make an injury.
Engine 13, Metro West, injury MVA, Highway 47, Northwest Krebs Road, Ops 32. Engine 13, Metro West, injury MVA, Highway 47, Northwest Krebs Road, Ops 32. Mark, I'll head risk 13.
Go ahead.
So we just drove by another crash involving a Washington County officer. However, they are right, and we are continuing on to the motor vehicle accident we originally assigned.
I copy. Was this at 47 in Krebs?